Welcome to Tech Made Simple. In this Microsoft Word beginner series, I'll teach you everything you need to know to start using Microsoft Word confidently. This is Lesson 1, and today we'll explore the Microsoft Word interface. This video is one of an 8-part Microsoft Word course for beginners, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson. What is Microsoft Word? Microsoft Word is a word processing application used to create documents such as letters, assignments, reports, resumes, business documents. It is one of the most widely used computer applications in the world. To open Microsoft Word, press Windows +S. Type Word. Then click Microsoft Word. When Word opens, you'll see different templates. Templates are pre-designed document formats. For now, click Blank Document. At the very top is the title bar. This displays the name of your document. In the top left corner, you'll find the Quick Access toolbar. This contains useful commands such as save, undo, redo, etc. The ribbon is the large section at the top containing tabs and tools. This is where you'll find most of the commands you'll use in Microsoft Word. The ribbon contains tabs such as Home, Insert, Draw, Design, Layout, Review, View. Each tab contains different tools and features. The large white page in the center is called the document area. This is where you type and edit your content. You can type a few words. At the bottom of the screen is the status bar. Here you can see information such as page number, word count, document status. Let's try something simple. Click inside the document area and type Hello World. Congratulations! You have just created your first Microsoft Word document. And that's it for Lesson 1. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to format text using bold, italic, underline, font styles, font sizes. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in Lesson 2.